Good morning, folks. Still snowing in Canada, specifically the western side, British Columbia. We take it as we can. If you follow me on Instagram, this morning I was talking about flow at the chopping block, taking your time, relaxing, and trying to stress safety. Safety is the number one thing because this would be the highest area for accident and injury when it comes to spoon carving if you're not familiar with the tools or what you're doing. So here, it's all about taking your time, relaxing, and shooting for accuracy over speed. Speed will come in time the more you axe out blanks, practice, use your chopping block. But for now, you just go slow, go at your own pace, your own rhythm, and relax. And all of that speed will come in time. It will expedite the process further and make it a more enjoyable experience because the end product will be that much faster to get to. This video is sped up. It's for time purposes, but the actual recorded video is a little slower than this, and it gives you a better idea of how slow I actually go at the chopping block. But again, for time purposes, we're going to keep on going like this. A few musts or make sures. Make sure that you're watching your stance at all times, where your legs are and how you're positioned at the block. Make sure to keep your arm tucked into your side so that you're swinging from your elbow and you're not swinging over your shoulder. That type of chopping doesn't belong at a stand-up axe block. That would be something different. You're only expelling so much force in order to get the shape that you're looking for here. Be mindful as to what you're doing and the people that are around you. Make sure that your chopping block is clear of wood chips to avoid slipping and other injury. Make sure your axe is sharp. And for some reason, if a chip gets stuck to your axe while you're chopping, take time to stop, clear it away, clear your block, reset, and start over. All of these little tips and tricks can really help you excel when you take up the craft.